My name is Vito Scaletta. I was born in Sicily in 1925. That little guy's me. I'm standing there with my parents and my sister Francesca in front of our old house. I don't really remember too much about the old country, except that we were pretty hard up. And then one day my father decided it was time to move away. Away from Sicily, across the ocean, to start a new life in America. Never in my life had I seen anything as fantastic as Empire Bay. It was beautiful. On the other hand, I'd never seen anything filthier, more disgusting than our new shithole of an apartment. The American dream was more like a nightmare. My father started working at the port for the guy who arranged our immigration. It was backbreaking work, and what little money he made mostly went towards booze. Eventually, my parents sent me to school. I had to learn English. I sure as hell wasn't going to do that in a neighborhood full of Italians. That's where I met Joe.
Come on, Vito, hurry it up. We ain't got all night.
Over time, Joe and I got to be best friends. And since we were both poor and there wasn't much work around, shit, we started a little business of our own.
Freeze! Police! Stop! Vito, this way! Throw me to bed! Stop! I'm gonna shoot!
Shit.
Okay, you bastard. Spread your legs.
Fuck.
And put your hands on the fence.
I'm sorry, Vito.
Well, that one time it didn't work out so good. The year was 1943. America was at war, and the army was looking for guys who spoke the language to help with the invasion of Sicily. I was 18, and anything seemed better than jail. Who says you can't go home again? Operation Husky. I was assigned to the 504th Parachute Infantry. On the 11th of July, we were supposed to be dropped over the southern coast of Sicily, but we got hit by flak and had to bail out, way behind enemy lines. Only 3 of us made it. If it wasn't for the local resistance, we wouldn't have had a chance. So when Mussolini's soldiers came into the town and started rounding everybody up, we decided to return the favor.
Se nessuno parla, quest'uomo morirà. Eh?
No, mi fa morire, no.
All right, Scaletta, take the shot.
Traditori!
Behind the sandbags! Steady morti! They're falling back. Let's move. On me! Shit!
Ammacciarsi, resta a fare prigioniere prima che arriva all'esercito.
Corporal! Headed this way. You and Williams take out that machine gun nest. Then find the prisoners. We're gonna need every man we can get. Hey, Scaletta! Over here! Hey, Scaletta! Over here, man!
Ciavinamma!
Ain't getting through this one. Looks like we found the machine! You got it! Watch it!
Scaletta, you alive? Yeah, just about. Well, then get off your ass and let's move it.
Grab all the ammo you can carry.
Whoa.
This might be our last chance.
Look, good shit.
On the stairs! Hey! Stick your boot country up your ass!
Must have the prisoners upstairs.
Clear the second floor. Scaletta, you take point.
Uccidete
Right
gli
behind you.
Siete morti!
Got him. Arrenditi. Osserva.
Shit. Looks like we're going this way. Come on.
Just keep shooting. What in the hell does it look like I'm doing? Hey, fine by me, asshole. Shit! This balcony isn't gonna work! We gotta keep moving. Let's get inside! Hey, stick your food country up your ass! Get inside, Scaletta! You're gonna die out there!
Amo dei fascisti! Arrivano amo dei fascisti! Montato i pozzi! Mandiamoli all'inferno!
See that gun on the balcony, Scaletta? Get on it!
Mandiamoli all'inferno!
These guys get inside! We're blocked!
Cosa state parlando?
Dicevo al mio amico di stare attento.
Fregatene di fare attenzione, fai ciò che ti è stato detto!
Sparate, becciotti!
Ma che diavolo sta dicendo? Chi si crede di essere?
Un offerto da fare!
Ma è davvero Don Calò?
Guerra è finita!
Cacetto, un congeco quando si maritava come cucina.
Siamo venuti all'imperare!
Ma chi è quello? Lo conoscete?
Lo conoscono tutti. Don Calò è un uomo d'onore.
È uno stupido trucco degli americani, non ditemi che gli credete!
No, è davvero Don Calò. Ogni tanto dovresti ascoltare i consigli di noiazzi del posto. Ci rendiamo?
Sapete che potete fidarvi di me! Che ne dite, eh?
Don Carlo, the head of the Sicilian mob. An entire garrison of troops surrendered that day.
Per voi!
Why? Because he told them to.